Today we're at the Melbourne Convention Centre installing 600 tiles for Fukasawa Imports for the Melbourne Motor Show. We're building out a full display podium for them for around 4 to 5 cars, including an Evo 8, so everything needs to be cleaned before they roll in.
So you guys were absolutely amazing with set it up, help us set up yesterday as well as today. All this wouldn't be possible without you guys.
Last year we were here at the Melbourne Motor Show and did display podiums for companies like Lenlab, Drive.com.au and CarCraft. We've got this whole section to lay from scratch. This is going to be a really cool install. Let's see how this turns out. Right now we're basically just doing rows of 6x6. We couldn't put it out there because the lights aren't on yet. They allowed us to just lay it out here in sections, and then tomorrow we'll come in the morning. When this area is open, we'll lay the tiles out there. So the design they chose was like mostly white, and then they've got their little booth section in here, which has checkered navy blue color. Got enough for 5 cars to be on there, and I think it's going to look really cool. So this is about 600 to 700 tiles. So I'm just going to be taking them off. Yeah, we're going to start doing these. This is our doomgrey. It's actually one of our most popular colors now. It's a newer color. Here we've got the navy blue. We're releasing more colors every month as well, so it's really cool. A lot of reasons why people like using these for podiums. It's easy to put them together, take them apart. You don't need to screw anything down or anything like that. That's another benefit, like for people doing it in their homes as well. Do up your garage, but I mean, if you're just renting, you're going to move out, you can bring the tiles with you to your new house. This is the GridFlex Pro, our most popular tile. These ones come in 25 different colors. Most people have seen these ones around. If someone moved it, that would suck, because I think we're putting it all in order, so it's easier tomorrow as well. So we're just finishing up our last slab. We only have a certain amount of time we can do it. We just decided we'll just do the slabs here now. Then tomorrow when it's open, we'll just bring it over and put it together. So it's 7:30 in the morning. We're back at the Melbourne Convention Centre for the Melbourne Motor Show. They're getting our area ready right now. So what we'll be doing is transferring these tiles over and just clicking them together. It should take us about an hour. See how it goes. Basically, these ones will just be from the front top corner there, working down, then we'll just keep going, keep going. I hope we did it right. Pretty much finished here, putting all the pieces together. Next step is just to add the ramps. We just have a few sections here which we haven't done yet, just because they got to put in some cabling and whatnot for their booth, because this area is going to be their booth. They're going to have a stand here, and they're going to have a few cars in different sections here. I think it's turned out really cool, but yeah, it'll look better with the ramps on there, and once they've got everything else set up. Just trying to find where the power point is, and we're just going to pull up a tile so they can wire their booth in. One right here. There's one there. I saw there was one up here as well, and here's the other one. Easy peasy. We picked the white ones because we thought it would make it pop more. Because there's going to be a lot of people here as well, you want them to show that there is a little bit of a step up, help mitigate any trip hazards or anything like that. These are our newer ramps, so they've got a little bit more of a gap in it. The reason why we upgraded to this ramp, when they expand, they would start to buckle. A solution for that is we got a new mold made, which basically added like a 1mm gap in between. It just stops any buckling from happening, especially in the heat. You just want to make sure that it's not going to become a trip hazard. That's the whole purpose of the ramps, is so that you don't trip. If it's going to buckle and it's going to make you trip, there's no point in having them. So we're constantly trying to find solutions to fix little problems people might have. Anytime someone raises something, we try to find a solution for it. So far there's been no problems with any buckling since we've updated the ramps. On top of that, we do have other ramps as well. So we've got rubber ramps. They're not really suitable for podiums, but those ones you actually glue on the ground. And we've also got aluminium ramps too, which are actually the ones you screw into the ground. So we're all done here now. We just finished laying all the tiles. Took us about an hour. So what do you think of how it turned out?
I think it turned out to be amazing. This design is absolutely fantastic, and it's the best thing we could have done for this space. Designated space for a gazebo. We've got designated spaces for cars. It's all highlighted, so it's very modern and very nice touches. Very nice touches.
Yeah, we really like how it turned out. The design you guys chose. We added a little thing with the borders just to make it look a little bit more different.
So you guys were absolutely amazing with set it up, help us set up yesterday as well as today. All this wouldn't be possible without you guys.